number you have called is not recognized. Please check the number.
Why am I not fucking surprised? 0203 6939 486. So this is Dojo. They contacted me.
Number you have called is not recognized.
So they contacted me regarding signing up with credit card payment providers. Someone else is using Dojo as well. Thought it's like an interesting looking little machine. And they sent me a brochure and they sent me some contact information. And their so-called commercial advisor, some rep came to me, said, by the way, we've got this new company. It's Dojo Tech. We're providing this terminal. So the rates that he said he was going on about, we can provide you this terminal. It's £20 a month. You pay for the terminal. It's all you're paying for the terminal. You're not paying anything else. £5 is the PCI compliance for the year. PCI compliance, if you don't know what that is basically they have to comply to make sure that obviously what you're doing is safe, just to secure you. It doesn't cost them anything, but they make money from that as well because they're fucking cunts like that. But anyway, I was told based on the rates. So the rep that came to me told him exactly the figures, and he quoted me 0.35 pence on 0.35 on debit and 0.7 on credit card. So that's the percentage they take. And £5 a year for the PCI compliance, £20 for the terminal rental as well, which is completely wrong, because on the brochure they've put here, this is why they fuck you over. Okay, so if you have a look at this section just there, see right there, if I can find where the mouse is gone. So if I show you right there, it's PCI management, £5 a month. This is where they're going to fuck you over. They're going to keep charging this extra every month, overcharge you for this fucking. By the way, if anything happens to this terminal, they will fucking extort you. So you end up damaging the terminal. So if you scratch, mark it, do anything to this terminal, they will charge you 100, 200, 500, 600. They will charge you a lot of money just so they can refurbish. And if you want to cancel your contract, be aware. If you sign into a contract, you want to leave it early. They say it's a 30-day rolling contract. Yeah, sure, that's fine. But you have to give 90-day notice before leaving or deciding to leave their contract. So the 30-day rolling contract means nothing. But anyway, if you damage that terminal whatsoever, they will fucking extort the living shit out of you. So I've been with Paymentsense before as well. I'm familiar with the tactics, and if you leave their contract, the amount of fees that they charge you to leave the contract, and when they get the terminal back, they call it refurbishing the terminal. They will charge you more than how much the terminal is even worth. So if I was you, don't go with Dojo. Don't get stung, because this is literally payment. This is Paymentsense. For those people that signed up with Paymentsense in the past that got fucking stung and got burnt, this is just them trying to make up their own. It's like Vodafone with Voxy. They're trying to make up their own little small business sort of thing. It's bullshit, So don't get caught out. I've tried calling them up as well. You want to see exactly the rates, because the rates that they've given me no rates here. But I want to see if the rates actually matched up with what the rep said, and see if I can get. But unfortunately, their telephone line doesn't work. So yeah, another red flag there as well. But if I was you, don't sign up with Dojo. Sign up with something like SumUp or something. It's nice and simple. You don't just pay for the terminal. There's no other fees. The percentage is more. I agree, but then obviously they don't fuck you over. Anyway, this has been Ace. Hope you enjoyed that video. Like, subscribe. Peace out.